Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Andreja Premium by Quick Mill. This machine was brought in because the pressure was either too high or too low, and the customer was noticing a leak from right here at the lever of the E61 group head. And so we discovered that the pressure stat was going bad and was unable to properly regulate the pressure and therefore the temperature of the machine. And we noticed that this E61 group head had been a while or had never been done a complete disassembly and cleaning, and that was the reason for the leak. So we did. So we completely disassembled all of the parts, and we replaced all of the gaskets. We soak everything in an acid wash, clean off the minerals, polish it down, reassembling it, and here it is, functioning once again, right as rain. And let's test it. Looking good. A tad fast, we could probably tighten up the grind. All right. And let's test some other features like the hot water. Looking good. You can hear the pump activating, sensing that water has left the boiler and it needs to be refilled. So we know the probe is working. And here's some steam. Immediate and powerful. Alright, there you have it. Andreja Premium functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.